Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. So in today's video, I'll show you how you can underclock your CPU using Windows bar settings. So this method helps reduce CPU heat and fan noises, especially on laptops. So let's get started. For that, first of all, in the search bar, you want to go ahead and simply search for Edit Power Plan. Once you search for it, you'll then be able to find an option that says Change Advanced Power Settings. Tap onto it. Now inside here, tap on Processor Power Management, and then simply click on maximum processor state. By default, it is set to 100. You want to go ahead and simply lower it to 90 or even 80% depending on how much you want to reduce power consumption and heat. And then once done, tap on apply and then tap on OK. Keep in mind this will reduce performance especially in games or heavy application, but it's a safe way to underclock without entering the BIOS or using third-party software. And that's it. You have now successfully unclocked your CPU using Windows power settings. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and sub, and I'll see you in the next one.